Hey YouTube, it's 6:30 p.m. Yeah, nighttime. Got some other tricks to show you. First one I call the airbender, a firebender. I mean, you light it. Take it away. Yeah, so you light the flame, take it away, close it back. It's the firebender, Twilight Zone, and then another trick, flick spin flick. Oh wait, I already. Triple. There. I'll teach you the firebender. So basically, what you can do is tilt your wick so you have your chimney. You're such a sick-minded person. You have a chimney. How sick-minded are you? Chimney, and then you wick. You know what? Never mind. You have your so your chimney, and then you just push your wick to one side, not towards the wheel. Such a sick-minded person. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.